Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to create your Google Sheet shortcut on your PC or laptop. Simply just open your Chrome browser. Press on this option and you get Google Sheet. Press on to open your Google Sheet. Take blank sheet. If you want to write name, like rename to new 2026. So I'm just add this in my computer homepage. Follow the top right corner, press on three dot and you get this option showing it to create shortcut. Press on and rename the shortcut. Press on create. Okay, now successfully create this. As you can see, now I am recently create this shortcut. That's it.